Hi, welcome to this video. To permanently delete your Apple account, formerly Apple ID, you must use Apple's detected privacy portal. You can now fully delete the account directly through your iPhone or Mac settings. Those options only sign you out of the device. So before deleting your account, because deleting your account is permanent and irreversible, so make sure first you back up your device. So go ahead to the settings app, click your account, right? Make sure your devices are all like backed up, right? Backed up. So make sure to back them up on the cloud, okay? And of course, go ahead to the iCloud and make sure it's all backed up too, right? So make sure to back up this iPhone. Next, sign out of devices. You must manually sign out of your account on all your devices. iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple TV, to avoid being locked out of those devices later. Okay? And cancel any subscriptions. While Apple typically cancels them automatically, it is safer to manually end any active subscriptions. So inside your Apple account, you're gonna go ahead and find your subscriptions. Make sure that you cancel a subscription and continue or proceed to cancel your subscriptions, right? Now, if you want to permanently delete your account, you're gonna visit the browser. So type Apple data and privacy page, right? And inside, you're gonna sign in, of course, with Apple account credentials you wish to delete. So I'm gonna continue using my Apple account. Wait for a few moments. So make sure you request a copy of your data, correct your data, temporarily deactivate your account, or the last option, request to delete your account, right? And choose a reason. Choose a reason for leaving from the drop down menu, right? So select any reason, I prefer not to say, right? And then continue. Review the terms once you continue, right? Read the important information regarding data laws, agree to terms and conditions, and then, of course, click continue. And secure your access code. Apple will provide a unique alphanumeric access code. Write this code down. You will need it to verify your identity or cancel a request if you change your mind during the processing period. Then enter, of course, the access code when prompted and click delete account. So note, Apple may take up to 7 days to verify and complete your request. Consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.